Welcome to FarmMap4D. In this tutorial we will be learning how to create or update land type or unit data over your property. To start, turn on the Interim land type reference layer, which displays the current version of land type data for the region surrounding your property. To find out which land type is within each green polygon, use the Identify tool or open the Land Type Visibility tool to turn on the land type labels. This reference data is used to create individual land types for your property. If you think a land type is incorrectly named, you can use the Rename Land Type button to rename an individual polygon. Place a point on the map within the polygon you want to rename and click OK. After entering an updated name, clicking Save commits this to the Interim land type layer. To clip out the new land types, open the Property Land Type Mapping tool from the toolbar and select the Create Update Property Land Types button. The land type data is complex and may take 3 to 5 minutes to process on some properties. Ensure that you turn on the Property Land Types layer in the Layers panel to see individually coloured land types over just your property. Again, to examine the values of the land types, turn on the labels or use the Identify button found under the Basic Tools tab of the toolbar at the top of the screen. Finally, if you think the land type boundaries are significantly wrong, you can flag this for review using the Report Data Problem button. This gives you an opportunity to mark in new suggested boundaries and provide some details about the required changes. For example, in the comments section, you could write, "This area should be called Tiger Country." And the problem relates to the Interim land type dataset. Press Send Email. Please note that the FarmMap4D team does not have the resources to address all issues lodged through this tool. However, this will allow us to collate all requests to present to the relative jurisdiction for broad-scale updating of this data. Your newly updated land type data can now be used for regional ground cover comparison or for planning stocking rates for the future. This completes the tutorial on land type mapping.